Hello everybody and welcome back to Beae tutorial series, and in this video we are going to be learning how you can use the SEO optimization feature available in Beae. So first of all, to get started, let's just choose a template, like for example this one in my case. Once your template is loaded, you'll be able to see that on the bottom left corner of your page you have this SEO option. When you click on that, few options just pop up. You can see the SEO optimization heading, and below that you can see a few drop downs. Now let's just go one by one and see what they has to offer. First of all is the page title, and when you drop down this, it is saying the page title length should be in 50 to 70 characters. So let's just adjust it. What you are going to be doing, just enter 50 to 70 character heading, place in my copied text, and now you can see the length is 64 and it is saying the page title test is now passed, which means the page title is now perfect. So after your page title you have your page URL, and when you drop down that, you can see it is saying that the page handle cannot be empty. To add a page handle, you can simply add your words and dashes between them. For example, like this. When you add a page handle, you can see it is saying the test is passed and we are good to go. After your page URL, you have your meta description, and you need to add a short little meta description in here. So let me add some description. You can pick any description of your choice. Totally depends upon your page that you are creating. You can see we have entered a dummy description in here and it is saying passed. After your meta description, you have your social sharing image, and you need to add a social sharing image as well, as it is saying the featured image cannot be empty. So you can see when we add any image from this library, it is giving us an error that the image dimensions should be between 1200 by 800 pixels and 2000 by 1600 pixels. So make sure your image dimensions are correct, and to do so you can resize your image from any editing software. Let's just add an image that I created recently and click on select, and now you can see when the resolution is adjusted, it is saying pass, which means that our image is perfect for this particular social sharing image. Close this drop down, and after that we have our heading option. Here it is saying that only use one heading tag h1 per page, and right now currently we are being using two. So what can we do is just delete a heading tag, like for example let's just delete this one or remove this one, and now when we go to the SEO option, it is saying pass, which means now our page is way more optimized than before. After your headings you have your images, and if it says passed, and it means that we have used plenty of images on our page and we are ready to move on. After images you have your links, so these are all the links that should be provided on your page. So like for example this shopping now should have a link, and all of the other buttons that are used, for example view all products, this should be have an attached link with it. So similar to it is this shopping now, so all of these buttons and these little options should have attached links with it. So using these options you can fix them one by one. You can see when you click on fix it, on your editing panel the button appears where you can add the button link and button ID. So from here you can totally fix these links and make your page even more optimized. And finally, after links obviously you have your duplicate ID, which is saying that it is passed and we are good to go. So yeah guys, that was pretty much it for SEO optimization feature in Beae, and I really hope you understood the concept and liked the video. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.